Anand. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the favorite feature which I have designed for the food bloggers and others. In this world, food is loved by many people, right? Even I love food a lot, right? But however, a lot of people I saw in the video, they are struggling a lot in doing a very good cuisines and the food reviews, but they're not getting a good returns, right? So to solve their problem and add some value for them, I designed this feature. Let's see how the feature works, okay? So as I mentioned, as soon as you log in, you will see this landing page and click on the video. You have an option to add your own video. You can upload or you can embed from other sources. Okay, let's take a sample one. Video. And we have selecting a cooking and food review. So I don't have a good video, so I have a video in the other source. Okay, so this is one of the old cuisine I have cooked. And after that, I make this a public and submit. As soon as you submit, you will see this option. Since you are the owner, you will see this option. Either you can set your ad like I showed you before. Let me set one ad also. And also here you will have this option called recipe, right? So you can enter your recipe of your choice, right? So whatever you cooked, others should also get benefited, right? So I have given this option. So let's take for demo purpose, I don't want to enter too many things. I will have a detailed video about that. Okay, so I just typing this and recipe is saved. So imagine this. So it is published, this video. So your friends or somebody is viewing this video. Okay, let me log in my admin account and food sample video which I have uploaded. It is showing in the top, and click and see everything, the ad, whatever I have set up from my store. I can buy this. Sorry, this is your friend. They can buy, or the viewers, or they can click here, try my recipe. It is going to check the recipe and match with your nearest store. This is the important piece, right? It is not going to just show the recipe. It is going to show the recipe and also scan the recipe ingredients and check where these ingredients are available to in your store. That means if your friend has a virtual store and if they have all the ingredients, you can buy and try this recipe at your home. Your friend will get benefited and the seller will also get benefited. Sounds cool? Further, if you're not satisfied, you can search. Right now I don't have friends in this platform. I have to onboard more, right? So if you click on your friends, if your friends has their, see, these guys are my friends, right? So if they are selling this rice, it is going to show up, right? And again, if you have any family member or relative selling, yes, of course, I designed this feature called veterans. So right now I don't have any veterans friend. So people are keep on saying that, hey, we have to support veteran and veterans store this, that, and all. Everywhere they are using them for advertisement purpose, but I don't know how much people are adding value for them, right? So they are sacrificing their life in somewhere for us, right? So any country, they are great heroes, right? So if they are owning the store, I am giving the user an option. They can select veteran. It is going to list down if the veteran owning those ingredients, right? They can purchase. The order goes to the actual seller. It can be a Walmart or somebody, but the veteran will get benefited, right? After that, domestic. In case if something is selling near to a home, that is the first preference. After that, only foreign product from different country or different state or different place, right? Moreover, try buy from your friend or your family store or from a kid's store. Those people will be benefited. Sounds cool, right? So you can click, it is going to show you what is the amount you want, and after that you can do a checkout process. Okay, the checkout process we can do later on. So I just want to show you, this is my favorite feature. So none of the food bloggers or anybody, they are not going to waste their time, right? So anybody, if you are the content owner, right? So if you are the owner of this video, right? So you have to be a owner of this video. Then you will have this option to enter your own recipes. You can enter anything. Okay, if it sounds cool, let me know. And if you have any concerns or if you need any improvement, let me know. I'm a one-person team. So I'm the product manager and the developer. So I can do anything for you. So just share your input and feedback. Okay. Thank you so much.